శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, and saying that, O Vidura, Yajñavaraha Swami reached Rasatalam to search for Bhudevi and to bring out Bhudevi. There in Rasatalam, Yajñavaraha Swami Dadarsa Gam Tatra. He has seen Bhumi Devi. Chusi Kshiti Damshtragramunan Dharinchi Jalarasimbaasi Eteragan Swadamshtraya Udhrutya Mahim Nimagnam. Then Yajñavaraha Swami easily has taken that Dharani, Bhudevi, with his tusks. That Bhudevi was attached to the Rasatalam. Yajñavaraha Swami unrooted that Bhudevi from that Rasatalam. While he was taking Dharani, Hiranyaksha, one demon, came with Gada, and with so much of anger, he jumped on Yajñavaraha Swami. Then Paramatma Yadha Gajendro Jagatim Vibhindan. As and how a lion kills elephant, so also Paramatma killed Hiranyaksha in the same water. Then there is so much blood coming out of the body of Hiranyaksha. What Yajñavaraha Swami did is, he has taken all that blood and poured on his body. Now, with that blood on his body, Yajñavaraha Swami Tamala Neelam, he is glowing. Sitadantya Kotya, with his white and bent tusks, he is glowing. Not only that, Kshmam Utshipantam, having Dharani Devi on his tusks, Yajñavaraha Swami Gajalilaya, as and how an elephant enjoys in the water, Yajñavaraha Swami also enjoying in the water, having Bhudevi on his tusks. Then such Paramatma, Yajñavaraha Swami, is seen by Chaturmukha Brahma and other Munis, Rishis. Bala Sitam Surekha Vibhasamana Dhavaladamshtragramunavunna Dharaniyoppe Hariki. They have seen Yajñavaraha Swami's beautiful form carrying Dharani Devi, and they all started Baddha Anjalayaha Anuvakyaihi. they started folding their hands, bowing their heads and praying Sriman Narayana Yajnavaraha Swami. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.